Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways.
In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on Avalanche's future while talking about Avax cost gauge for 2022 and then some. Kindly remember that you ought to believe this and some other expectation with some hesitancy, since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant undertaking, not to mention foreseeing the fate of a novel, profoundly unstable monetary resource like Avalanche. Presently, we should head into it. Before we dive profound into the IOTA value forecast and answer questions in the event that Avalanche is a wise speculation or not, for what reason will Avalanche succeed or fall flat, or for what reason will Avalanche value rise or drop, we should rapidly toss a look at what is Avalanche and its to-date history. What is Avalanche? Torrential slide is an all-encompassing stage for sending off decentralized finance, DeFi, applications, monetary resources, exchanging and different administrations. The objective is to be something of a worldwide resources trade, permitting anybody to send off or exchange any type of resource and control it in a decentralized way utilizing shrewd agreements and other state-of-the-art innovations. Group behind the task is Avax, and developers at Avax guarantee that Avalanche is the principal shrewd agreements organization to offer exchange conclusion in less than 1 second as standard. Avax sent off its mainnet in September 2020. The stage's local token, Avax, performs different undertakings inside Avalanche and furthermore works as a prizes and installment framework for clients. Torrential slide is the principal shrewd agreement stage that can affirm exchanges in less than 1 second, upholds the whole of the Ethereum improvement tool stash, and empowers a great many free validators to partake as full block makers. Avalanche had north of 1,000 full block delivering hubs on its Denali testnet. As well as supporting exchange conclusion under 1 second, Avalanche is equipped for throughput significant degrees more prominent than existing decentralized blockchain networks, 4,500 plus exchanges, second, and security limits well over the 51% guidelines of different organizations. What is the Avalanche, AVAX, token? Avax is the local badge of Avalanche. It is a hard-covered, scanned resource that is utilized to pay for charges, secure the stage through marking, and give an essential unit of record between the different subnets made on Avalanche. Torrential slide price prediction. The entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable bear market. Bitcoin has drooped half from its untouched high in the midst of the more extensive market drops affected by seething expansion and U.S. Fed rate increments. Financial backers are selling dangerous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally hazardous play and thus the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2022 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a nearby base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the separated and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days with a smidgen of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a regular and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost forecast model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and major evaluation of each venture. Torrential slide coin price prediction 2022. Most of specialists concur that this bear market will endure essentially for the principal quarter of 2022 preceding. We see a few adjustment and little pattern inversions. Forecast model brings market feeling into a record and responds appropriately. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. 2022 September minus 14.33% $20.03. 2022 October minus 27.24% $17.01. 2022 November minus 26.62% $17.16. 2022 December minus 22.26% $18.18. 2023 Jan minus 13.25% $20.28. 2023 February minus 8.66%, $21.36. 2023 Mar minus 5.34%, $22.13. 2023 April plus 3.17%, $24.13. 2023 May plus 6.02%, $24.79. 2023 June plus 3.43%, $24.19. 2023 July plus 16.72%, $27.29. 2023 August plus 17.60%, $27.50. Avax price prediction 2025. Our expectation model sees Avax coming to $45.83 in 2025. What will Avax be worth in 5 years? The cost of Avax in 5 years could lie around $42.07. Torrential slide coin price prediction 2030 to 2040. What Avalanche will be worth in 2030? Our Guaging model sees Avalanche coming to $114.58 in 2030. What Avalanche will be worth in 2040? Our estimating model sees Avalanche coming to $229.16 in 2040. Will Avalanche supplant/outperform/surpass Bitcoin? No, Avalanche won't supplant or surpass BTC. Will Avalanche reach $100? Indeed, Avalanche could reach $100 toward the finish of 2022. Will Avalanche reach $1,000? Indeed, conceivable Avalanche can reach $1,000, however, just in a separated future, after 2030. Is Avalanche worth purchasing? We are backers of respectably dangerous financial planning. Put the greater part of your crypto portfolio in BTC, half, 35% in a bin of large cap coins and the rest in little ventures with gigantic potential gain. Thus, in this unique situation, Avalanche merits purchasing. Is Avalanche a wise venture? Torrential slide is, very much like any remaining digital currencies, a dangerous speculation. It has higher likelihood of going up than down in light of the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area and a strong group behind it. What amount will Avalanche be worth? For the transient future, it could reach $14.73. In the long haul, 8 to 10 years, it could leap to $114.58 or considerably higher. For what reason will Avalanche succeed and get more expensive? Torrential slide has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area and a strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and for that reason our expectation model sees Avalanche ascending to $114.